Hey, my name is Jillian. I'm the owner of Far Out Tiny Homes. I want to take you on a tour of the Blue Baloo. Let's step inside. Hey, welcome to the Blue Baloo. We're so happy that you wanted to take a tour of our tiny home. Josh and I built this home in a time span of 3 months with a shoestring budget of $10,000 cash and a few added credit accounts. Total, we spent just shy of $19,000 on this whole house. So the Blue Baloo is a smaller space than most standard tiny homes. We're working with an interior dimension just about 6 feet in width and then just shy of 20 feet in total length. So for the living room, we opted for a built-in couch with storage underneath. We also put in a great little fireplace that heats up the space nicely in the wintertime. We wanted this space to be super cozy. Having the built-in couch next to the fireplace creates such a nice atmosphere in the colder winter months here in Las Vegas. So instead of a built-in cooktop, I opted for something that I could hang on the wall and just remove. We opted for this IKEA cooktop. It was only $50 and it saves on space, it saves time, and it's super simple to use. It's an induction cooktop too, so just in case little hands like our kiddos were around, kind of feeling around this space, this thing never got super hot except for right on the cooktop where the pan was. It was an affordable buy and we've had it now for almost 3 years. So one thing that we did splurge on for our tiny home was the refrigerator. As a family of 4, a mini fridge just doesn't work for us. I didn't want to have to go to the store every single day in order to, get us the fresh fruits and vegetables that we needed. So we opted for a counter depth LG refrigerator. Now at the time, this exact refrigerator retailed for just shy of $1,000. Now I know what you're thinking. You didn't want a built-in cooktop, you didn't want an oven. Why would you spend $1,000 on this refrigerator? Because it's a lifesaver. It's different in the way that the refrigerator is on the top and the freezer is on the bottom. The fridge space held enough for us and our family of 4, and then the freezer area comes with slide out drawers, and it definitely holds enough that we only had to go to the store, one time a week like a normal family. So one thing you'll notice about this kitchen is that we didn't opt in for a built-in oven either. We decided on this convection oven. It does a wonderful job of cooking all the meals that we need for a family of 4. Underneath the convection oven is where we house our hot water heater. It is a lowboy 28-gallon. It heats up super quickly and it is very efficient. So when we first built the Blue Baloo, we did plumb for a standard flush toilet. This is obviously not a standard flush toilet. This is a Nature's Head composting toilet. We decided after living in the home for just shy of 2 years that we wanted to have more of an off-grid approach, at least a half off-grid approach when it came to the tiny home. So we purchased and installed the Nature's Head toilet. It was a super simple installation process. The product makes it really easy to put it just about anywhere. What I love about this toilet is there is zero smell. As long as you take care of the unit, you will receive no funky smells, and it actually is a very simple product to use.
Aside from the Nature's Head composting toilet, you'll notice a medicine cabinet, 18-inch vanity, and ample storage throughout. We also installed an RV bathtub with a shower pick. This bathroom came together really quick, has ample storage for all of your bathroom needs.
Let's head upstairs and check out the lofts. So the lofted space is one of my favorite parts of the whole house. We do have a super thick mattress up here. This is about a 12-inch depth memory foam mattress. So when you are hanging out in the loft, you do need to come off this space in order to really sit up, but we only use this space for sleeping. This is a queen size bed in here right now, but you can also fit a king size mattress as well. We have 2 sconces on the walls that are dimmable, so if one of us is up late at night reading, the other one can peacefully go to sleep. The second lofted space is currently being used as a wardrobe. Whoever said you can't have a ton of clothes when living tiny was totally wrong. Our friend Jerome is staying in our tiny house currently, where he has fit his entire wardrobe in this lofted space. This used to be the kiddos area, and now it's Jerome's closet. Well, that wraps up the tour of the Blue Baloo. We hope you enjoyed taking a look inside. Have a good day.